Hello everybody, it's time to have a look at what Spellbinders has in store for us for June's Clubs of the Month. First up, we have Shipmates, and I love this little die set. You can see you get that adorable detailed walrus with his little sailor or salaman's coat and cap. He also comes with this adorable little pipe and this gorgeous little shipmate, his seagull friend, who you can use individually or pop him on top of our walrus captain, and they are best buddies to make a card with. And of course, you can see the seagull's got extra little details like the sailing flags and his scarf and hat as well. Lots of lovely detail there. Now, our large die is called Sailor's Light. This is a wow set. I love this set because there are so many options with it. There are so many ways to collage, create different scenes, layer upon layer of beautiful detail. You can see there's the waves, that beautiful cloud, the lighthouse itself, these gorgeous little sea cottages, the mountains which can have snow caps on, just lots of fantastic detail, and I'm really excited about this set. I think you will be too once you can see or start playing with all the different ways you can create with them. Love, love, love this set. Up next is Ahoy Matey. This is our stitching die of the month for June, and it is fabulous and right on theme again. You can see you've got a strip there where you can stitch in the detail for ocean waves. You've got that adorable little seagull with his striped vest and his little captain's hat on there, different to the hat on our other seagull, so that's a nice extra detail. You've got your sailor's wheel or your steering wheel. I'm not sure now what's the actual name, but you have it, and of course you're able to go ahead and stitch detail into that. You've got that gorgeous little anchor detail as well, the die cut there, and I love that it's a different shape anchor to what you might normally expect. So this is a fabulous little set that you can go right ahead and add gorgeous detail. Now our glimmer of the month is called Castaway. And our glimmer has a large fishing net as a background piece, an A2 size piece. You're then going to get 3 individual sentiments to glimmer, as well as the die for cutting these sentiments out into nice strips. This is a fantastic detail that you can either make very subtle or very much at the forefront of your card. Our better press of the month is called Harbour Weave, and again, this is a lovely background plate to use, and it's going to be a fantastic background no matter whether you better press it or ink it up and press, or if you foil it. And it has such gorgeous detail, and it has lovely movement with the way those knots interlink across your page. Of course, you're going to be able to cut different shapes and pieces out of your better pressed or foiled background and use those as features on your card as well to then place your other elements on. Anchors Away is the name of our clear stamp and die set. Now, there are lots of fantastic punny stamp sentiments in this kit, as well as die cuts or dies to cut out nearly all of the sentiments that we get with the stamp set. And you will have seen lots of these sentiments used on all the cards so far, as well as the cards coming up. And like I said, there's some great sentiments in there covering a wide range of occasions. It's our awesome set. Rolling Tide is the name of the sets of stencils in this month's kit. Now this is a set of 4 stencils, 3 of which are layering and 1 of which is a standalone stencil. Now the layering stencils, The top part of the stencil will give you a foamy, bubbly background, while the bottom half of the stencil can be used to make your ocean floor, your hillsides, or even your waves, depending on how you want to use it and the pattern you want to make. It's a fun, fabulous little set of stencils this month. Mariner's Weave. This is the name of our 2D embossing folder, and it looks to me like a really close-up of some rope or woven fabric that might be used in sails or fabrics around the yachting industry. Now you can see it's got that beautiful detailed interlocking pattern in it of the threads or rope intertwining, and it gives a lovely texture to put behind on your card panels. Now again, you can emboss and die cut those, and you're going to see lots of gorgeous products from previous releases that you can include. Now, Nautical Knots is the name of our 3D embossing folder, and that is exactly what it is. This one design of a nautical knot, looks like a figure 8 knot, that goes across our embossing folder, and it has all that fabulous detail that we've come to love in our 3D embossing folders. This one will not disappoint. Seize the Day is the name of our wax seal of the month, and this month it comes with an oval shaped stamp as well as that gorgeous deep ink coloured wax. This is going to be a gorgeous finishing touch to your cards, a gorgeous detail or focus to your cards, as well as make a beautiful way to seal the back of an envelope for the recipient of your card. Now, the deluxe caboodle is $130, and with that you're going to get absolutely all the fabulous sets you've seen so far on this video this month, and as a bonus you will also get this really cute little sailboat that I know you've seen in the cards in this video. Love that little sailboat. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have found lots to love about this month's clubs. I know I have. And until next time, bye bye for now.